Everyone thinks the best-selling floor wax is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, ZEP Neutral pH Cleaner. First up, we have the ZEP Neutral pH Industrial Floor Cleaner. This one caught my eye right away with its impressive reputation and price point of just $12.98. If you want a cleaner that maintains polish without stripping your floor's protective coating, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The neutral pH formula means it won't damage your VCT or other types of flooring. It cleans and restores shine without the hassle of rinsing, which is a big win for anyone who wants to save time. Plus, with the ability to make up to 128 gallons of finished product, you're looking at great value for your money. It's been rated 4.6 stars from over 7,800 reviews, and it's a bestseller that's been purchased more than 10,000 times in the last month alone. Now some folks have pointed out that it can take a bit of elbow grease to really bring out the shine. Here's the thing, though, if you're willing to put in just a little effort, you'll be rewarded with beautiful floors that look professionally maintained. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable cleaner that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick-fix solution that does all the work for you. For the price, the value is hard to beat. Now, if the need for a multi-purpose cleaner bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a focus on shine. Product number 2, ZEP Wet Look Floor Polish. Next up is the ZEP Wet Look Floor Polish, priced at $42.99 for a case of 2 gallons. What really stood out to me is this product's professional-grade formula that promises a long-lasting glossy finish. If you're after a polished look for high-traffic areas, this is an option you should consider seriously. This floor polish is designed to be slip-resistant, which is crucial for places like schools or supermarkets where safety is a concern. It's suitable for various surfaces including VCT and sealed concrete. This means you can trust it in busy environments that see a lot of foot traffic. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 440 reviews, it's clear that many users are satisfied. However, some users mention that it can be a bit challenging to apply evenly, leading to some streaking. But honestly, if you take your time and follow the instructions closely, you're likely to achieve a beautiful finish. This is perfect for you if you need something durable for high-traffic areas. Skip this one if you're looking for a no-fuss application process. Considering the results it delivers, it's a worthwhile investment for serious upkeep. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a buffable finish. Product number 3, Quick Shine Pure Floor Wax. Coming in at number 3 is the Quick Shine Pure Floor Wax, which you can snag for just $10.19. This caught my attention because it's a buffable, waterproof finish that promises to restore and refresh your floors. If maintaining that fresh shine is your goal, this is worth considering. What's great about this product is how easy it is to apply. You just squirt it on and spread it with a damp mop. The finish lasts for months, even in heavily trafficked areas, which is fantastic if you want something low maintenance. Plus, it's safe for a variety of surfaces, including hardwood and tile. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 2,200 reviews, it's clear that many are impressed by its performance. But some users did note that it can take a while to dry completely, which can be inconvenient if you're in a hurry. Here's the thing though, if you plan ahead and allow it to set, the end result will be well worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use product that delivers shine. Skip this one if you're in a rush and need something that dries quickly. Given its price and effectiveness, it's a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. Now, if you're looking for a product that also protects as it shines, the next one might be right up your alley. Product number 4, ZEP Wet Look Floor Polish. Now let's talk about another ZEP option, the Wet Look Floor Polish, priced at $26.99. I was drawn to this one because of its promise of long-lasting shine and ease of use. If you want something that delivers a glossy finish without too much hassle, this is worth checking out. This polish is designed for durability and is easy to use. which makes it ideal for anyone who doesn't want to spend hours maintaining their floors. It's rated 4.5 stars from over 1,100 reviews, and with a good number of monthly sales, it's clear that people are happy with it. That said, some users reported that while it shines beautifully, it can lose its luster more quickly than expected if not properly maintained. But honestly, if you're committed to regular upkeep, you'll still get that beautiful shine for a long time. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward solution to keep your floors looking great. Skip this one if you're looking for a polish that lasts without any maintenance. For the price and ease of use, it's definitely a good buy. Finally, if you're interested in an eco-friendly option, the last product on our list might be the perfect fit for you. Product number 5, Bona Multi-Surface Floor Polish. Last but not least, we have the Bona Multi-Surface Floor Polish, priced at $19.98. This caught my interest because it offers a high gloss shine while being eco-friendly, which is a big plus for many of us. If you're looking for a polish that protects and renews while being safer for the environment, this should be on your radar. This polish is certified to GRE and GERD standards, which means it emits low chemicals into the air during use. It covers a generous 500 square feet, and it's effective on various surfaces including vinyl and tile. With a strong rating of 4.6 stars from over 14,600 reviews, it's a favorite among buyers who appreciate both quality and environmental responsibility. Here's the thing though, if you're already diligent about cleaning, this will only enhance the shine. This is perfect for you if you're eco-conscious and want a product that brings your floors back to life. Skip this one if you're looking for an all-in-one cleaner and polish. For the quality you get, it's definitely value for money. So there you have it, 5 solid options for floor wax that all bring something unique to the table. Whether you want a reliable cleaner, a high-gloss finish, or an eco-friendly solution, there's something here for everyone. Remember, the best choice depends on your specific needs and how much time you're willing to invest in upkeep. Happy shining!